Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how I make this quick and easy blueberry smoothie bowl. So for this smoothie bowl, I used almond milk, stevia, frozen banana, coconut flakes, lemon, pea protein powder, hazelnuts, coconut yogurt, and blueberries. In a blender, combine frozen blueberries with frozen bananas, protein powder, coconut yogurt, almond milk, and a little bit of lemon juice. Blend until it is smooth. And put it in a bowl. And add your favorite toppings. And that is how simple it is. I have an extra smoothie bowl recipe for you guys. It is in my free ebook. To download it, make sure to check the link in the description box down below. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for weekly recipe videos. Thanks for watching, guys.